Hi. In this iSEE Science Kit, you will find how substances you easily see in your daily life can convert into a battery. In the iSEE Science Kit number 2, you will find 7 types of materials. Lab coat, gloves, wires, LED bulbs, nails, and containers. These materials will be used for 2 separate experiments. In the first experiment, we will make a fruit battery. Materials that you will need for this experiment are 2 long-length red and black wires with alligator clips, 4 short-length red wires with alligator clips, 4 copper nails and 4 zinc nails, and 2 LED light bulbs. From your home, please prepare 3 lemons, 3 potatoes, and 3 tomatoes. All of them must be cut in half. Okay, let's find out how we can generate electricity from fruits. Before we start, we should check a few things for your safety. Please wear all the safety gear, goggles, lab coat, and gloves. Let's make a battery by using tomatoes. First, you get ready with 1 half-cut tomato, 1 copper nail, 1 zinc nail, 1 black wire, and 1 red wire. Insert copper and zinc nails into the tomato. Push all the way in, leaving about a 1/4 inch of the nail head on top of the tomato, so we can later connect with the alligator clip. The distance between the copper and the zinc nails should be less than 1 inch apart. You must use 1 long red wire and 1 long black wire for this first connection. Now, connect the long black wire to the zinc nail, which looks white, using the alligator clip. Next, connect the long red wire to the copper nail, which is brown. Let us now test to see if this tomato can make enough electricity to light up a volt LED light bulb. The light bulb has 2 legs. One leg is short, and the other leg is long. You must connect the black wire with the short leg and the red wire with the long leg of the light bulb. The tomato was not enough to light up the bulb. Then, what should we do? As you already know, when you need more electricity, you go and get more batteries. So, no, the tomato battery is not strong enough. Let us connect 1 more tomato battery to increase the amount of electricity. To add the second tomato battery, remove the copper nail and red wire from the first tomato and red wire and set them aside. Next, insert a new copper nail next to the zinc nail on the first tomato. Bring a new half tomato and insert a new zinc nail. Connect the new copper nail with a new zinc nail using a new red wire. Once this new connection is made, bring back the earlier old set of copper nails with red wire. Now, insert the copper nail next to the zinc nail on the second half tomato. Now, let's connect the red wire back to the light bulb and test it. Not enough again. 2 half tomato batteries are still not strong enough to light up this 2 volt LED bulb. Well, it looks like we will need more tomato batteries. Let us repeat the process. Take out the set of the copper nail and red wire from the second tomato and set them aside. Bring the third half tomato, and let's insert the new zinc nail. Again, insert a new copper nail into the second tomato and connect it with the new red wire, just like how we did before. Let's insert the copper nail into the third tomato, connect the red wire to the light bulb, and test it out. Hooray tilde this time, it works. Copper and zinc nails from 3 tomato batteries half tomatoes made enough power, just like a battery, and lit up the 2 volt LED bulb. You can clearly see the blue LED color lighting up from the bulb. Shall we try adding the 4th tomato battery and see if the light bulb becomes brighter? Let's see if adding another tomato battery gives more electricity. You know what to do, right? As before, a repeat of the process with new zinc and copper nails and new red wiring. Okay, let's now connect to the light bulb. Wow, and double wow. The 2 volt LED blue light bulb is now brighter with 4 half tomato batteries. We can clearly tell that connecting multiple tomato batteries increases the electrical power. Let's connect 1 more half tomato for fun. If we add 1 more half tomato, maybe the 2 volt LED blue light bulb will be much brighter. More tomatoes and more power? Let's quickly do the process with new zinc and copper nails and set up new red wiring. Okay, let's see the result. Awesome. Would setting up 5 half tomatoes together power up 3 volts LED bulb? Well, we may need more electricity because it is a high voltage LED bulb. Let's test our hypothesis, shall we? Let's change the bulb. Again, the black wire goes with the shorter leg, and the red wire connects to the longer leg. As you can see, these 5 half tomato batteries are not strong enough to light up the 3 volt green LED bulb. We can see the 3 volt green LED bulb lighting up in the dark, but it is not brighter than a 2 volt LED blue light bulb. So, our hypothesis may be correct. I see. Wow, this is so interesting. Let's try a different material. Can we make a battery with potatoes? How about with lemons? There are so many materials that we can try. What other materials can you think of? Let us write down how bright the LED bulb was. How about indicating the brightness with plus, plus plus, triple plus? 1 plus is dim and triple plus is really bright. Check our second experiment. Liquids can also be used as a battery. See you soon in our next experiment.